Ola Electric Mobility. Well, a very popular stock among the retailers. Well, as soon as it got listed, it gave multi-bagger returns to the people who actually got allotment in IPO. And then people started thinking that yes, it is very promising, and then they started running after the stock and started investing. But then suddenly it gave a U-turn, and then the stock price started dropping. So in this video, I am going to give you the clarity on Ola Electric, if this is investment worthy or not, how much debt it has, if it is making profit or not, everything I'm going to discuss. Then I will go to the price action and I will show you where could be the right time to make an entry if it is not right now. Okay, everything I'm going to discuss, make sure to watch it till the end. But please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stock based on your own risk appetite. Okay, so with that said, let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is the official website of Ola Electric, and you can see currently it has 3 products on sale. Okay, Ola S1 Pro, Ola S1 Air, Ola S1X. So you can go through this website and check them out. But few days back, Bhavish Agarwal announced that Ola is going to launch bikes also, and the booking for I think 1 or 2 of them has already started, and the remaining will be starting soon. You can get to know the details here in the official website. So I'll share the link. You go through them. I would recommend. Okay. Now we are going to go to the screener page and see the fundamental numbers. So we can see the current market price is below 50,000 crore, but we must remember that 50,000 crore means it is already a large cap stock. Okay, and 3 years back the debt was 42.2 crore, which went up to 3505 crore in the preceding year, and current debt is 5684 crore. So debt is increasing rapidly. This is one of the most concerning things about this stock. Now let's see the other factors. So when you come to the peer comparison, we can see the market cap is under 50,000 crore, current price 111, reserves is in negative, debt is high. So the debt to equity ratio is very dangerous at 6.41. 3 years average sales growth is around 1700%, which we know that yes, Ola Electric is the largest selling two-wheeler company. Okay, and then the interest coverage ratio is in negative, up current ratio 1, and operating profit margin is also in negative. So all these factors are clearly telling that the fundamentals of the stock are weak right now. But let's go to the profit and loss statement and see the scenario. So we can see the sales have gone up from 373 crores to 2631 crore. Definitely the sales have improved, no doubt about that. And then it went up to 5000 crores. Then operating profit, it came to minus 800 crore to 1252 crore, then 1266 crore. Okay, so it is still in negative. And one thing we need to notice is the operating profit margin. Minus 214 was the operating profit margin in 2022, which came down to minus 48%, and currently it is minus 25%. So we can expect, seeing the the rate at which it is declining, we can maybe we can assume that in coming days this number could go to 0 and then maybe to the positive numbers, which will make the company profitable. It will become a profitable company in future. As of now, it is not. Okay. Now, shareholding pattern. So when I come to the shareholding pattern, I can see that the promoters are holding 36.78%, FI holding 7.64%, and DI holding 6.74%, but a majority of stake is being held by the public themselves, 42.43%. So this is a negative side for the company. Okay, public holding is the maximum. It is a negative factor for this company. So if we think that EV sector is the future, then definitely the smart money should also believe in this stock, because it is the king of two-wheeler EV segment. We know that. Okay, and then why is the FIDI holding so less? So this is one thing which is concerning. In coming days it might improve, no doubt about that, but current numbers are clearly telling that Ola Electric is fundamentally weak. Okay, and investment should be avoided based on fundamentals itself. Okay, so now let's go to the price action and see what the price action is telling us. So this is the price action of Ola Electric, and let me first clear the chart so that I can draw these things again. So and it will be easier for you to understand. You can see after getting listed around this price of around 75, it started going up rapidly and touched 150 level, even beyond that, okay, around 160 level. Then it started dropping continuously, and in order to see if this is a good time to invest in the stock or not, I'm going to use few tools, very simple ones. First, I will use the anchored viewer point. I'll place it here at the high point. I can clearly see that the stock is trading below it. Now I will use the fib retracement. So here is the fib retracement, and we can see the stock is below the 50% mark, that is below 117. Okay, it is below anchored viewer, it is below 50% mark, 117. So technically, when is the right time to make an entry in this stock? So as this is a high risk stock, I would say the best time will be if you make a safe entry, conservative entry, and you should make it only when the stock closes above 126.62 level, that is the 61.8 level, or you can round it up to 130. Okay, and by that time the 50 EMA would also have appeared. Okay, if the 50 EMA starts supporting, giving it support, and the stock stays above it, along with that we get to see some good volumes along during this price action, then around 126 130 level, then we can say that yes, this is a good time to enter in Ola Electric, and by that time maybe the fundamentals would have improved little bit more. Okay, that could happen. So this is the overall scenario for Ola Electric. So coming to the conclusion, should you invest in this stock? Well, in order to get that answer, we must ask, is this company profitable? Well, not yet. This is the answer. So should you invest in it? Same answer, not yet. It is not a good decision to invest in this stock just because we believe that EV is the future and Ola Electric is the king in two-wheeler segment. We should not jump into the stock based on this fact alone. Okay, so many people will do that. I know they want to enter in the stock early because the stock price is still affordable, it is looking less, but remember that it comes with a risk, and it is not at all a wise entry if you invest in this stock at this moment. Okay, in future it could be profitable. I will definitely post updates on this stock if it starts showing signs of U-turn and start showing uptrend, and definitely post videos. But as of now, please avoid investing in this stock. But again, reminding you, this is not a stock recommendation. Buying and selling of stock is completely your decision. This is just my opinion based on facts and numbers, right? So I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have already subscribed and finding my videos valuable. Consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and don't forget to check my other channel, Financial Affairs. You'll find the link in the description section below. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.